In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Windows 10 run faster. A sluggish computer can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're working on important tasks or simply trying to enjoy your digital life. Today we will focus on freeing up space and optimizing your system using the Disk Cleanup tool, a built-in feature in Windows 10 that can help enhance your computer's performance by removing unnecessary files. So let's dive right in and get your Windows 10 running more smoothly. First, we're going to start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This key can be found near the bottom left corner, marked with the Windows logo. Pressing this key brings up the Start menu, a powerful navigational tool that gives you quick access to search functions, applications, and system settings. Next, type Disk Cleanup in the search box right at the bottom of the Start menu. As you type, you'll see suggestions appearing in the list above. You don't need to complete typing the entire phrase, as the search feature is smart enough to recognize it with just the first few letters. When you see Disk Cleanup pop up, go ahead and click on it to open the application. This tool is super helpful and user-friendly, designed to identify and clean up files that are no longer needed on your system. When Disk Cleanup opens, you'll be asked to select a drive you want to clean up, usually your C drive, which is the main storage location for your operating system and installed apps. Let the tool calculate how much space you can free up. It might take a few moments, so be patient. You'll then be presented with a checklist of file categories. These are a collection of temporary files that your system no longer needs. Here's your chance to select the unnecessary files you wish to delete. A friendly tip: be cautious not to delete files that are integral to your installed programs. A good rule of thumb is to start with temporary files, cache files, and thumbnails, all of which can take up significant space but are safe to remove. Once you've made your selections, it's time to dig a little deeper. Look for the button labelled Clean Up System Files and click on it. This feature will allow Disk Cleanup to search for additional file categories, such as system error memory dump files. After a brief pause, you'll see an extended list to further optimize your disk space. Finally, you'll come to the moment of truth. Click OK to start the cleanup process. The tool will swiftly delete the selected unnecessary files, freeing up valuable space on your hard drive. By removing these files, your Windows system will have more room to breathe, which can result in noticeably improved performance. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've used Disk Cleanup to make your Windows 10 run smoother and faster. With more free space, your system can be more responsive and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!